and waste this precious resource. Efficient water use is crucial in areas facing water scarcity. AI can also help farmers use fertilizer more efficiently. By analyzing soil health and crop requirements, AI ensures that the right amount of nutrients is applied. This means using less fertilizer and saving money. It also reduces the risk of environmental pollution from excess fertilizer runoff. AI is helping farmers grow food in a way that's good for the planet. Sustainable farming practices are essential for long-term food security. It's a win-win for farmers and for the environment. By embracing AI, we can ensure a healthier planet and a more prosperous future for everyone.
AI is not just changing things on the farm, it's also changing how our food gets from the field to our tables. AI can help keep food fresh longer. It can also help get food to people who need it most. For example, AI can be used to track food shipments. This can help prevent food waste. AEI can also be used to find the best way to transport food. AI is making our food system smarter and more efficient. This means we can get fresh, healthy food to people all over the world.
AI is transforming agriculture in incredible ways. From the way we plant seeds to the way we harvest crops, AI is making a significant impact. It's helping farmers grow more food, use resources more wisely, and reduce waste. Smart irrigation systems ensure that water is used efficiently, while sensors in greenhouses monitor plant health. AI is also revolutionizing the logistics of food distribution, ensuring that food gets to people in need faster and more efficiently. AI-driven robots in distribution centers streamline the process. The future of farming is exciting. With advanced equipment and innovative techniques, AI is at the heart of this transformation, driving progress and innovation. AI-driven tractors and robots are now common sights in fields, working tirelessly to plant, tend, and harvest crops. This technology is making farming more efficient and productive. As AI technology continues to improve, researchers are constantly finding new ways to apply it in agriculture. From AI-driven experiments to cutting-edge tech, the possibilities are endless. We can expect even more amazing things in the world of agriculture. Automated machinery and AI in hydroponic farms are just the beginning of what's possible. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges, like hunger and food insecurity. Community farming projects using AI are making a real difference. With AI's help, food distribution networks are becoming more efficient, and technology in food banks ensures that no food goes to waste. We can create a future where everyone has access to safe, nutritious, and affordable food. Farmers' markets with AI elements are already showcasing this potential. The future of farming is bright, with advanced practices leading to vibrant and healthy farmlands. Thanks to the power of AI, we are on the brink of a new era in agriculture, one that promises sustainability, efficiency, and abundance for all.